Hi, with another example of implicitly derivative, and we will take in this example x squared equal 5y squared x squared minus ln x. The derivative of x squared is 2x. Now here we have two functions multiplied by each other. So first function and second function. First function is 5y squared and second function is x squared. Now we will derivative with respect to x. So 5y squared, it will be 5 times 2, it will be 10 y prime, because y is a function of x, and x squared is 2x. Now multiply the derivative of the first one by the second one. So it will be 10 x squared y prime plus the derivative of the second function times the first function. So it will be 2x times 5y squared. 2 times 5, it will be 10, and xy squared minus the derivative of ln x is what inside the ln. We will put it in the denominator, then we derivative the denominator here. The derivative of x, it will be 1, so the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Now we will put all the functions that don't have y prime in one side and which have y prime in other side. So what we will do here, we will remove this one to the other side here and to x to the right side. So it will be minus 10 x squared y prime equal 10 xy squared minus 1 over x minus 2x. Now divide both sides by minus 10 x squared y. So y prime equal 10 xy squared minus 1 over x minus 2x over minus 10 x squared y. So this is what we want to find. We will see another example. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel. See you in another example.